What a blessing for humanity.
Thank
Wow, you're so beautiful. What a powerful soul. Did you come all the way to Mount Shasta from Russia?
Actually, we came to States like a long time ago. Now we live in New York.
You live in New York?
Yeah. So we did performance at some festival like 2 days ago.
You did?
Yeah, just went here. It's a beautiful place. I'm like 4th or 5th time here.
Where
And I
can we
brought
find?
Alex.
Can we find you on YouTube or something? Were you singing and
Yeah,
chanting?
yeah.
Where? Tell me.
Okay. You can.
What's the name of how we find you?
You can
we're
take.
gonna
You
get
can
you
take
a
our
QR
QR code and find all
All your
available
stuff? Yeah, so
yeah.
people can support your music. I love tube and throat singing. The sounds are so healing.
So you can just
Okay, can I, oh, I don't think I can see it. Here, let's go. Yeah, let's go that way. Oh, there we go. Yes. Oh, look how beautiful you two are. Okay, everybody who's watching this can now just video the QR code and then they can...
And you go to our sites, pages, YouTube,
Everything.
TikTok, Instagram.
Oh, you're on top of it. It's beautiful. Look at that. What a blessing we got on the mountain today. And see the colors of the Rainbow Mountain?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Blessings and light. What a treat today.